Laro tayo ng Lamar Idol Vlogger. Okay. Hey bro, let's go out with some girls. The last time I had some fun was 300 years ago. What about your dog who was having fun with your leg? That's right, I had fun just yesterday. Dating girls is no big deal. Just lend me some money, cause I'm broke. No problem, as soon as you pay me back for last time. Damn it, I have to change my life. Maybe I become a blogger and earn money that way. You a blogger, they probably dug up your phone. Then they are looking for Dino Bones. I could get a loan one na. Teka lang, tapusin ko muna itong basahin. Okay. Pindot yung pala natin. Boom, meron na tayong $40 guys. Baka hindi na naman ako marinig. Ika lang guys. Record ako. Green? Tapos upload ko sa YouTube. Ha? Edi wow. Edi upload ko na. Edi may data cellphone no? Wala. Ay po. Okay, let's upgrade our camera, guys. Ano to? Wala naman itong AdSense kasi walang wifi. Oh. Money burn. Oh, I get it. That's gonna guys. Ready to play Mario. Okay, let's upgrade. Bro. Nothing. Ito kasi nothing. Ayan. Ito. Na ito. Meron na $100. Half. No. Great. Ako lang guys. Uy. Drive kami. Papunta akong hospital kasi mag-e-x-ray ako. May sakit ako eh. Back to playing. Lang. Goal natin makaabot ng 10 minutes na video na to. Ewan ko guys. Ito yan. Paano nga hindi pala yan ito. No thanks. No thanks. No to. Give me this. Okay. Teka lang guys, may sasabihin ako sa inyo. Thank you guys sa 40 subscribers. I really appreciate it. Ang goal natin makahit 50 subscribers. So, let's hit 50 subscribers. Ano to? Ako lang, hindi ko yan video. Okay, mag-outro na ako. So, yun lang guys. Sana na-enjoy nyo tong video ko. Okay lang kahit hindi kayo mag-subscribe. Ang gusto ko lang na-enjoy nyo video ko. So, yun lang guys. Bye-bye.